Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. But new and returning subscribers, I really appreciate all your feedback and your follow-up. So in this video I'll be making one of my favorite breakfast recipe, which is called plantain and egg frittata or plantain pizza. So let's get right into it. So here I have some salt, black pepper, bouillon seasoning, of course some fried plantains, grilled sausages, fresh cracked eggs and green bell peppers, some spring onion, some ground pepper and some melted butter. All right, so you want to whisk your eggs. You want to whisk it until you have incorporated enough air into this mixture. Okay, so you want to do this for about 2 minutes depending on how fast your arms are. So next you want to add your ingredients. That's the salt, the black pepper, the bouillon seasoning, and the ground pepper as well. Okay, as well as the melted butter. So the idea of adding this melted butter here is just for additional flavor. So you want to mix everything together until it is properly incorporated before going in with your spring onions. All right, so when that's done in a 6x4-inch pan already coated with some melted butter or vegetable oil, if that's what you have, you want to throw in your mixture and follow that up with the grilled sausages. Okay, this sausages add just another extra extra boost. Okay, so when that's done, you want to line your plantains up real good and beautiful. Okay, so when you're done with that, you just want to sprinkle the green bell peppers just in the middle for effect. Okay, so bake these for 15 minutes at 150 degrees and you should be done. And guys, if you got to this point in this video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the like button and leave a comment for me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.